Anytime you take a manufacturing technology and make it accessible and convenient, people start to design around it. Tube bending is a really cool way to build things, and there's actually a handful of product categories where it's the best possible way to build something. The big problem with it is that you can't buy it. It's hard to get the time of day, it's hard to buy a prototype, and that means ordinarily you're going to have to self-serve, figure out how to bend it yourself, and the bigger the tube, the harder that is. We thought if we could give this the OSH Cut treatment, if we could figure out how to make it so anybody with a web browser and a CAD file can buy this and get it, within a couple days, we would feel like, mission accomplished. Tube bending has been around as a fabrication technology for decades and decades. So when we sit here and say, well, we're going to build a system that allows anybody to use this manufacturing technology to build whatever they want, that's when things get interesting, because now you're enabling new ways of design, new technologies that literally change how products are developed and deployed. So the service is green, it's young now. We offer like a dozen different tubes, but we already have a bigger tube bender on the way that'll allow us to do tube up to 3-inch diameter. We'll have all kinds of different variants. We're looking at smaller tube as well. For our software that we've built that lets you design a tube in the web browser, we've got improvements in the works there as well to make it possible to do assemblies. And what we really care about is making it possible for you to make your own project and to be accelerated by the manufacturer, not held back. As we continue to move the needle on the breadth of materials that we support and the size and shape of the bends that we can do and the general capabilities, I'm just really excited to see how people take existing problems and redesign it for tube to save costs, to improve performance, to improve speed. I want tube bending to be the de facto standard. Like if you can make it out of tube, do that. Or if you can make it out of sheet metal, do that. I think that's already true for sheet metal. It wasn't true 8 years ago when we were getting started. Sheet metal was kind of really hard to buy. But now it's easy. I think sheet metal is like the easiest way to design and the cheapest, most cost-effective, the fastest way to design if you can do it. Tube needs to be the same way. It has the same kinds of benefits as sheet metal does, and now that it's easy to order, I'm really excited to see how people reorient around a new technology, a new capability that's suddenly convenient and fast, just like sheet metal is.